In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted files in Canva using the 2025 update. Now, this can be a lifesaver, especially if you've accidentally deleted an important design project. We'll walk you through the process step by step, making sure you understand how to easily restore your beloved files. So let's dive in and recover your hard work. First, you're going to want to navigate to Canva and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here, you'll see an option labeled Trash. This is the section of Canva where your deleted files are temporarily stored. Even though these files are marked as deleted, they are not yet irreversibly gone. Clicking on Trash will open up a new view that displays all the files you've recently deleted. Now take a moment to look through these files and locate the one you need to recover. This might take you a moment if you have many files, but patience here is key. Canva's visual interface makes it relatively simple to spot the file you're looking for thanks to the thumbnail previews provided. Once you've identified the file you wish to restore, move your cursor over it. You'll see three small dots appear, typically in the upper corner of the file preview. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu you'll see an option prominently labelled Restore. Select that option by clicking on it. What this does is essentially move your file back to its original location in Canva. As if it were never deleted in the first place, Canva makes this process seamless and quick, ensuring your file is just the way you left it. As a word of advice, remember that not all deleted files stay in the trash forever. Depending on Canva's data retention policies, files may eventually be purged after a certain period. So, if you know you need something restored, it's best not to delay. Furthermore, making regular backups of your critical designs is always a smart habit. This can save you from losing significant work if ever there's an unexpected issue. And there you have it, a straightforward way to recover those accidentally deleted files in Canva's 2025 update. Whether it's a business presentation or a personal project, you now have the tools to get your work back without breaking a sweat. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more useful Canva tips and tutorials. Here's to restoring your creativity effortlessly.